Hi, thanks for watching this video. This is just a sneak peek video of new sort of intuitive paintings that I'm creating, inspired by a lot of the abstract expressionists, where I'm just putting down drawing and painting just purely from my feeling, what colours come to me, um, what gestures, and I'm just allowing the brushstroke to receive any emotion that I'm feeling, maybe a bit of sadness. If there's any anger coming through, I can express it through the brushstrokes. So just it's really basically an exploration of how I paint, and as you can see here, adding in those colours as well to help give more depth and layering and removing things and adding other areas and really going with the emotion of the day. So from one day to the next, you can see the colours have started to change. So at this stage of the painting, I'm still exploring and really opening up with my senses, feeling, hearing, um, seeing, and just being really open to the process. And the biggest challenge is not following the thinking mind, which will, feed us negativities like, what is this? Am I doing it right? All those sorts of things. So I'm I'm just exploring and using my intuition with color and using that as the medium to open up. And the final product is here. It's called Forest Waterfall because I actually ended up turning it around, flipping it around, and I saw this cascading water coming down, which you can see here on the bottom of the painting, and the greenery and the forestry that came through, and all the colours. I'm actually quite happy with it. So it's really a playful and enjoyable experience using your intuition to paint. So I hope you've enjoyed this clip and let me know what you think. Okay, until next time, bye.